Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to keep track of your dog's vaccinations, medicine, vet visits and so on the Dogo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Now, as you can see, there is a health button in the middle of the screen, so tap on it. Now click on the create button. As you can see, you can choose from several options such as vaccination, medicine, vet visit and so on. So if you would like to add your dog's vaccination, just tap on it, and then you can type in the name of the vaccination that your dog got, and also the exact date and time, and you can also add notes to it, thereby creating this event so that you can easily monitor and keep track of your dog's vaccinations, visits and so on, so you won't forget to take him or her to the vet next time. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.